Today we're going to be doing soft pink glam. This is a trial run for my wedding, so I'm excited. Starting off with the best primer that you can literally buy. And while that absorbs, we're going to go in with the best brow gel out there and get our brows browing. I'm going to play tic-tac-toe with my color corrector. Let it marinate, okay? This is how you're going to look good. Super Stay foundation because your makeup's going to stay. And we use a brush to blend, okay? This way you're getting the best coverage. You just keep going until there is no more lines. You're gonna need patience and just keep on going. Once I get it to the best I can blend in with that brush, I'm gonna take a big puffy brush and kind of go in circles until it is completely blended out. It's gonna take a minute. And now that our skin looks like skin again, let's use our Fit Me concealer and carve out our eyes. Just gonna take a brush and kind of blot it in very nicely, like that. Put it all over the eye. This is gonna kind of act like a good little base. I'm not putting concealer right here because that's where I have a lot more lines and that's where it will crease and kind of show up more. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder. This is going to be like a really cute little baby pink. And we're just basically gonna go all over the eyelid with this. This is gonna help with your blending and help keep everything longer. We're gonna go in with this beautiful light pink and we are going to put this all over our eyelid. This is basically going to be a transition color and we're gonna build it up beautifully. Now we're gonna go in with a bit of a finer brush and we're gonna go in with a really light brown here. We're basically gonna kind of go right in here and in like this and then sweep it out so that way it looks a little bit smoky. And this is basically just going to outline the shape of our eye, just like that, except for we're going to have to blend that quite well. This is just going down like that and bringing it up and over, really blending it so it actually does look good. We're going to go in with this pale brown here and basically just kind of come in a little and bring it in just a little bit more so it has a little extra dimension. I'm going to use a sweet little angled brush and stamp on a dark brown for an eyeliner. We're basically just going to kind of go like that. So it's literally the lightest little stamp that you can do. But it looks very natural, but cute. Does anyone know of an eyeshadow that is exactly the color of the UB birthday cake from Huda Beauty? I want my eyeshadow to be this color for my wedding. Like really bad. I'm gonna try and use my Huda Beauty setting powder as eyeshadow because it's exactly the color I want for my eyeshadow. Let's just see if we can even do it. Maybe not. No, I don't think so, but if I find something, maybe I can put it over it to help it. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with like this pale pink and see what we can do with this. See if that kind of builds up the color that I want. Bringing it in and overlapping. It's very beautiful. I like that a lot, actually. And if I bring it over, it kind of helps with that dimension as well. What do we think? I like that pink a lot. That might be it. On an ombre effect, we're going to go in with my best white. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This stuff is good. Okay, it's pro pigment for a reason. We'll go with the white like that and kind of blend it in so it looks more like a beautiful ombre. You see that? I see that. That looks good. This beautiful brush to kind of go underneath as well, just like that. Time for our second round of concealer. Of course, we're pulling out the Tarte for this one. Just in here, here, a little bit here, and just a tiniest little bit there to cover up some acne. Take something like this, and I'm just literally gonna blend in as slowly as I can to really even out this pigment and disperse it how I would really want it dispersed. Remember, we're doing blush after this, so it's not gonna look so like rah, rah, rah. Now for these parts specifically, I like to use a smaller blending brush and kind of really help bring this over, just like that, and kind of really fill in if there's any pigment that got lost during the eyeshadow. And then I use this to basically blend it out on the nose, and just like this. We're going to take our Fit Me Maybelline concealer, it's closer to our skin tone, and we are basically just going to carve out the eyeliner, just like that. And then we'll pull it down, and then there's your beautiful, gorgeous eyeliner. Just like that, nice and chap. Blush, I'm so seeing this blush. It's my favorite blush right now. It's beautiful, cool toned, apres ski. Let's go in with the cream to start and just kind of just right up in here. That's really the only spot that we really, really, really want it. And I'm just gonna like pat that right into my face to kind of blend that out. Now for the nose, we're kind of gonna go right there a little and right here. And now we're gonna take our blush brush and we're going to dip in with the powder and kind of even this out and really puff it out. And then the nose too. Lovely. Now it's time to contour. This is my favorite contour at the moment. We're basically just going to kind of go right around the nose. I bring it down here. It just does something to your nose. Right across like this and like that. Up here. That way our face looks more snatched. And that's where I put the contour to kind of help with like chin area. There we go. And just right about there. And now I'm just gonna smudge that in. I'm gonna fill in my brows, but we're gonna go really lightly. That way they're not the main center of the show. I'm gonna put on lip plumper before I do my lip combo because I have literally no lips. And this is gonna help. My lips plump, I'm gonna put on my mascara. I always go in with the L'Oreal Volumizer Primer, and then I use the Fenty Hella Thick, and wait till you see how long these eyelashes are gonna be. Look at the difference. Also, look how plumped my lips are. Now we're going to take some Huda Beauty setting powder and just go in a few areas, nothing too crazy. Basically just right here and bring it down and over and then smooth it out just like that. We're also going to put a little bit right here, just a smallish little bit. Whatever's left right on the tip of our nose and pat it in here. Lip combo, we're going to do Makeup Forever and Limitless Brown. And the NARS, this is American Girl. It's like kind of like a lip stain or it just stays. I don't know what to call it, but it's good. I'm going to take a little bit of contour and we're going to put it directly underneath my eye, just like this, to kind of give it a little bit more dimension. Alrighty, I'm going to do some finishing touches and show you the final result. And this is the final look. What do we think of the makeup? I didn't do freckles this time because I want the makeup to be timeless and classic. And I just thought like a light pink eye would work so well for this. So let me know, would you wear this for your wedding makeup? This is what I think I'm gonna wear. I actually like am in love. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!